by the tiles. This is the second clutch. My dad just did the last clutch, and this is the second clutch because I ride my bike, what's broke, but now we're going to do this clutch.
Thank you very much, Henry, for the introduction, and welcome back joining us on the channel. Let's open up the tub. Watch out, her head is there close to you. Don't want you to get bitten. Just lift the tub slowly. And you're going to take the female off. Just like that. You're going to take the eggs out first. So this is a cinnamon female, and she was bred to another Dinker project that we are doing for the first time. We believe we have gotten a fire mixed with this gene. I can actually show her to you guys, and you guys can just get an indication of why I went for this route. And you just...
And there's 7 healthy eggs.
So this is the sibling. This is the sibling of the male that we used. This is the combination with the fire gene. She was extremely light at the stage, and then I can show you guys the base. And here's the base mutation, and we're hoping that it will definitely show up with the cinnamon. If it does show up with the cinnamon, then we will be very happy with it. If it doesn't, oh well, at least we tried. Better to say you tried than say you never tried at all. So I'm going to put these two back, and we're just going to weigh the eggs. The last two.
And there's a total of 655 grams.
That's great, well done. And how many eggs have we got?
7 healthy eggs.
7. No. Count again.
Okay.
We've got 8 healthy eggs, so that's another big clutch for us. We're very happy with that. The odds is definitely going to favour us with 8 eggs. Theoretically, if the gene is co-dominant or dominant with the cinnamon, at least 1 out of every 4 babies will be a cinnamon with this gene combined, and 1 out of 2 babies will be cinnamon, and 1 out of 2 babies will be the gene that we are working with. So thank you guys for joining in. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys all next time. God bless.
What?